Bakit kailangang malungkot at umiyak? Bumabagal ang orasan, bumibigat. Nakatitig sa iyo, malayo ang tingin, tuyo na ang pawis sa lamig ng hangin. Pwede kita puntahan at makatabi, kahit walang salita, tahimik lang. Sandali na, oras na kapiling ka, kahit paggabi na, ito'y susulitin. Kahit may dinadamdam, ika'y dadamayan. Basta't makasama ka, ako'y gumagaan na, gumagaan na. Sumisilip sa iyo, hindi pa naginip, pinakikinggan boses, ito'y lumalalim. Makasama ka muna rito, pakikinggan ang iyong boses at iyong kwento. Kahit sandali na, oras na kapiling ka, dahil paggabi na, ito'y susulitin. Kahit may dinaramdam, ika'y dadamayan. Basta't makasama ka, ako'y gumagaan na, gumagaan na, gumagaan na. Di na kailangang malungkot at umiyak. Bumibilis ang orasan at bumibigat. Kahit sandali na, oras na kasama ka, dahil paggabi na, ito'y susulitin. Kahit may dinaramdam, ika'y dadamayan. Basta't makasama ka, ako'y gumagaan na, gumagaan na. gumagaan na, gumagaan na.
Calls out letter A. How does the lyrics and melody of your chosen song reflect the importance of physical health, body positivity, or embracing one's physical attributes? The lyrics and melody shows that we should take care of our health kahit may mga bagay tayong pinagdadaanan sa buhay, at pinapakita sa video na dapat maging masaya kasama ang mga taong mahalaga sa atin tulad ng ating mga kaibigan na laging nandyan upang tayo'y damayan. Letter B. How can taking care of your physical health and well-being contribute to a stronger sense of self-happiness? By spending more time to our loved ones or friends. Isa ito sa mga bagay na makakatulong upang maging mas stronger and maging well-being tayo everyday.
In what ways does your selected song explore themes of sexual empowerment, consent, or healthy relationships aligning with the concept of a positive and respectful sexual self? So, in our song, the specific line, pwede kitang puntahan at makatabi mo, kahit walang salita, tahimik lang. It politely asks for a consent if the other party wants a company or a shoulder to lean on. It has no pressure implied, which encourages the other person that it's okay to be vulnerable. And then, for the second question, what are some ways to promote healthy and respectful relationships, communication, and consent in your sexual interactions, ensuring the well-being of yourself and others? So, to promote healthy and respectful relationships, boundaries should always be respected. For this to be possible, it is encouraged to do the 3 C's, which are communication, comprehension, and compromise. This creates trust and fosters a caring environment where both people feel valued.
This is the Q&A question. Material self. Question number 1. How does your song choice convey message about material possession, financial stability, or the impact of consumers on one's sense of self-worth and happiness? My answer is the song likely contrasts chasing materials, things, or financial gain with finding worth and happiness is non-material aspects like home, relationships, or personal roots. Question number 2. How does responsibility, financial management, and mindful consumption contribute to a sense of security, satisfaction, and long-term well-being in your material self? My answer is responsible financial management builds security by reducing money stress. Mindful consumption brings satisfaction as purchase aligned with values. Together, they avoid empty consumers and support and long-term well-being for your material self. Thank you.
So for the D1, how does the lyrics and overall tone of your chosen song resonate with themes of spiritually inner peace or the search for meaning and connection beyond the material world? So the tone of this song goes up and down. It also goes slow at first and then fast. It resembles our spiritual life. How in life sometimes it seems like we are at the bottom, but at some days we feel like we are at the peak. It also shows that peace and happiness isn't always in the material things that we have, but it is the people we have along the journey. So for EP2, in what ways can nurturing your spiritual self through practices such as meditation and reflection enhance your overall sense of purpose, inner peace, and personal growth? So, nurturing our spiritual self through meditation and reflection actually helps us to take a break from this fast-paced world. It is the time where we can look back and appreciate appreciate how blessed we are in life. It helps us value our lives more and continue to thrive in our own little world.
So question 1. How does the chosen song address the impact of technology, social media, or online interaction on one's digital self, highlighting the opportunities and challenge of navigating the digital world? So the line songs, Bakit Malungkot, reflects the loneliness and emotional heaviness often felt in the digital age. Lines like Nakatitig Sa'yo, Malayo ang Tingin mirror how social media can make people feel disconnected despite constant online interaction. At the same time, a song show the positive side of connection, offering comfort and presence similar to how technology can provide emotional support when we used meaningful. Question number 2. How can maintaining a healthy digital presence and manage your online activities in a way that protects your privacy, promote positive interaction, and support mental well-being in digital realm? So the song emphasized listening, presence, and genuine companionship, reminding us to use technology with intention. A healthy digital presence means setting boundaries, protecting privacies, and engaging in positive support in interaction. By choosing meaningful connection over shallow validation, we can reduce emotional burden, just as the song say, basta't makasama ka, ako'y gumagaan.
Stanley Tertius. My answer in question number 1 is song Nakauwi Na Ako by Bandang Shirley. Show how people are affected by sharing experience, equality, and evolution of relationship. It reflects friendship by showing the needs for kindness, understanding, and builds strong communities and encourage civic responsibilities and hope for positive change in society. My answer naman sa question number 2 is active civic engagement helps strengthen your political health and well-being. Voting gives you a voice while joining community activities build confidence and connection with others. Speaking up to for social justice helps you act on your values together. There's action creates sense of purpose, belonging, and hope, making feel empowered by responsibilities as citizen.